Alright, what is up guys? Welcome back here, another episode of Fast and Furious. So guys, I appreciate you tuning in. If you haven't hit that subscribe button, hit that subscribe button below. Be sure to like the channel and share with your friends. I'm doing a remake of a video that I did a while back, and I hope this video is better. But it's a remake of a video that I did a while back on how to install your front electronics on your Tracker Pro. So I have a Tracker Pro 160. The years of 2016. I'm not sure how many years over this information carries, but specifically everyone that follows my channel, you know I have a 2016 Tracker Pro. A lot of this stuff is really similar, even if the years change. But I wanted to redo the video on showing you guys how to install the front electronics on the boat. So I did it. As you guys can see, I have a Humminbird Helix 5 here with down imaging. It's a good unit. It's obviously not the best unit for up here. It's a 5-inch screen, literally, like, I mean, unless you got like really good eyes, you're gonna have a hard time seeing on a 5-inch screen. So in theory, my next move is obviously to upgrade this a little, you know, a little bit bigger, do a little something else here. But for right now, it's been working fine. I've been making it work. But I just really want to show you guys how I installed it. So basically, you have a panel here on the boat. I don't know if you guys can see, there's a little gap here where you can see this little part comes up right here. There's screws in here, and basically all you do, I think this is actually already done, there's a couple screws in here. You basically just have to unscrew each of these screws. Yeah, mine are almost, it's crazy, I don't think I actually finished doing this. Mine are actually loose in here as we speak, so I'm trying to do this as best as I can. I'm not going to take all my stuff off just to do the video, but alright, one sec guys, let me actually get a screwdriver. Mine aren't in there actually that tight, so it's not that big of a deal to get a regular screwdriver. So you have one screw over here, and you kind of got to feel around in there in this part that connects this wood to the metal of the boat. You just got to feel around in there. You can tell where the screws are at once you get in there, but it's one screw. This is the second screw. Almost got it out. Should be another screw over there and another screw over there. I don't think all of those are in on my boat though, so I'm gonna try to just get this out with what I have. Like I say, you just gotta kind of feel in here. Feels like I got another screw. It's supposed to be right there. There ain't no screw there. And so there's screws there, and then I believe there's screws. Yeah, that's what it is, guys. So there's screws down here in the bottom as well. Oh, at least they're supposed to be. Yeah, there's screws down here in the bottom. So yeah, the screws down here in the bottom of this this board too. That's why it didn't come up as easily when I tried to pull it. So it looks like one. And I'm not trying to do too much to my boat, guys, but because whatever I'm doing right now, I gotta obviously redo because I'm fishing a tournament here on Wednesday, so I really ain't trying to tear up my stuff. Really ain't trying to mess too much with my panels and stuff. So. Screws on there. Oh my goodness, you're telling me there's another screw in here somewhere? Another one right there in the middle. That's why it's nothing's moving. It's definitely a screw there. It's hard to get to. Trying to get under here and see. So once all the screws are off, this whole little deal just slides down, and basically once this slides down, you're able to see what's under here. You guys can see, you're able to see what's under here, and what's under here is your mount for your stuff. So you got a cord that comes out of here that you can you can run and plug right here. So I'm not gonna mess with it too much, but I really just wanted you guys to see how to get this panel off. Once you get this panel off, like I said, your access to your stuff is right up under here. So hopefully you guys can see once that panel comes off. So a lot of people don't know that panel's there that you can mess with, but it is there. You can mess with it, and once you do, like even if you need to replace your trolling motor thing, it's up under here. So you just come out under this panel, take the screws out, and then put all your stuff up under there. In theory, I could probably put my cords under here and get them like completely out of the way. Like that would be a great mod to make to this whole deal, but that's okay. So right now, I really just want to show you guys where the panel was, how to get to it, and then once I've showed you guys how to get to it, then you guys can mess around with what you want to do on your boat. But as for me right now, I gotta just make sure I can get this thing back down in here and make sure I'm ready to go for my upcoming fishing events. So I'm gonna focus on that now. So with that being said, guys, hopefully this information helps for the boat. Like I said, I would redo the video on the install on the boat with a little bit different of an angle. Hopefully that you guys can see what's going on, kind of get a grasp of where that panel is.